your mind, bring your body. Leave 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 your mind, bring your body. Bring your body, bring your body. Leave your mind, bring your body. Bring your body, bring your body. I'm so cool, old school. Big Snoop Dogg, I be breaking the rules. I'm phenomenal, your mama knows, so I'ma go and get it. Did the beat, so you know I got to spit it. You got the look of a diva, dog got it all now, follow the procedure. I need you to leave your mind, but bring your body. Ain't nothing but an east side party. You know it's cold like that, why you acting like that? Hand me your glass, let me pour you some yak, that's Landy. Now if you act right, by the end of the night you get the can with the Southside boss. Twist that spinach, put fire on the end of the and let me hit it. Baby, you cute, but you need to be f***ing with Snoop. Come through and see what it do, cause ooh. Leave your mind, bring your body. 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 Bring your body, bring your body. Leave your mind, bring your body. Bring your body, bring your body.
Run, girl, I'm tryna get that body wet. Work that, let me see you drip sweat. Got that fire, got that flame, put that on my set. Put you on Marvin Gaye and that key sweat. I'm from the 7th side. Dudes know I'm paid from the wrist, right? City on my back like the Dark Knight. And haters know I thrive in the limelight. Shout out to big homie Snoop. West Coast citizen, you know how we do. I get off every time that I'm in the booth. Snoop passed me the rock in the alley-oop. It's complicated. All these fake people is so jaded. They wanna be real rich and famous. I just wanna give my mama compensation.
Leave your mind, bring your body. 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 Bring your body, bring your body. Leave your mind, bring your body.
You need to
bring your body, bring your body.
You need to leave your mind, bring your body. You a bad chick. Got a girl, yeah, she bad, she my habit. She can dance, work it out, that's my language. She got a friend now, I call that a sandwich. Goddamn, she can work it out, no hands. Need a boss chick, Michelle Fan. Be a power couple, know what I'm saying? Soon as my money right, all the haters wanna act real nice. Got me thinking that's real funny, right? But my wallet got me sitting at the perfect height. Oh, girl, you got that spunk. Get a little buzz, now you all love drunk. Get you past your ex, get you out that funk. All these dudes the same, call them all reruns.
Leave your mind, bring your body. 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 Bring your body, bring your body. Leave your mind, bring your body. Bring your body, bring your body.